Okay, in order to change the settings for a person in your business manager account, you need to go to business.facebook.com/settings/people. That will take you to the people section. You need to find the person that you want to change. So in this case, I'm going to change myself. And there's two types of roles that you can have. You can either have somebody that can do administrative stuff or somebody who can do finance stuff. So in my particular case, in my portal, I'm an admin, I'm a finance editor. If I wanted to change any of those roles, it's a bit awkward. It's probably the most obscure place to actually place it. But if you go up to edit, what you'll have is you'll have the person's name, first name, last name. It's got business manager role. You've got the different types. You've got admins and employees. Employees have less permissions than admins. So in this particular case, I want you to add me as an admin to enable me to manage things the way I need to manage them and change different things around. So that would be admin. And in terms of finance role, you can just select that to be none, because you're obviously paying for your media, so I don't need a finance role in this particular case. So that can just be left as none. And that's what you need to do to do that. So you just click on update person. That will then change the permissions, and then we can move forward from there.